The Arbitrum ecosystem is growing like crazy, and their upcoming airdrop is going to be huge. One of their most prominent dexes, ZyberSwap, is giving away their airdrop to token stakers on their platform. I'm going to show you how you can get a piece of this. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel. I try to find the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips and low market cap gems that could have huge gains in the next bull market. Any of that sounds good to you? Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Drop a like on the video. Really appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, I've had my eyes on this project for a while, and I've been kind of dabbling a little bit in the Arbitrum ecosystem. ZyberSwap seems like it's pretty cool, and what they're doing here is really cool. This is their Twitter account. It says Arbitrum is releasing its token in 1 week, and we have news. Since ZyberSwap is a community-driven DEX, we have decided to give all of the airdrop tokens back to the community. Everyone that will deposit ZYB tokens in the 90-day vault will be double rewarded. So I guess what they're going to do is they're going to reward, it says down here, in addition to the ZYB token, you will also receive Arbitrum tokens. Set a reminder for March 23rd, 12:30 p.m. GMT time. Stake ZYB in our 90-day vault now, and that's how you qualify to get these tokens. I think that's a really cool thing they're doing. They obviously did not have to do this, and it's the only project that I've found so far that is doing that. If you stake their tokens, that you will receive part of their Arbitrum airdrop. Because I'm sure, being one of the biggest DEX on Arbitrum, that they're going to get quite an airdrop. So it could be somewhat valuable. I'm not sure. I have no idea how much each person will get, but I'm definitely staking some in there to find out. Okay, let's start this out by, if you've never been on Arbitrum, you will have to add it to MetaMask. So if you go to your password, go to MetaMask and you go to add networks, Arbitrum's right on there. You go here, go to add network. Arbitrum's actually the top one here. Obviously, it's alphabetical order. You just hit add and approve it. And then there's multiple ways to get ETH. You want to get ETH to it because ETH is your gas. The gas fees are much lower on Arbitrum than they are on Ethereum. So you either want to buy Ethereum on KuCoin or another exchange and then send it to your MetaMask, or you can go to arbitrum.io. Then you can bridge tokens over. So if you hit bridge, there's like a bridge you connect your wallet to, and then you bridge from Ethereum to Arbitrum. I believe there's multiple tokens that you can bridge, but the thing is you need Ethereum for gas. So basically your first step to using the Arbitrum network is to get Ethereum onto the Arbitrum network. Once you have that, then you can exchange the Ethereum for whatever other token you want. With that being said, the actual protocol website is at ZyberSwap.io. And if we get to this page, we're going to go ahead and hit launch app. And the current price is $5.39. Current market cap is 7.65 million. We'll take a look at the tokenomics a little bit later. The swap on here is like a aggregator. It goes through different sites and tries to find you the best price for your swap with the least amount of slippage. So you would have your Ethereum on here, or I guess it could be a stable coin as well, and then you're going to swap your Ethereum for the Zyber token. There's multiple ways or multiple things you can do on here. You can stake, earn Ethereum, you stake Zyber token and you earn Ethereum at a 39.28% APR. And then the vault is actually the one I wanted to show you today. That's the one I am participating in. And normally when you go into the vault, there's either a no lockup, a 7-day lockup, 30-day lockup, And then the longest one is the 90-day lockup. I didn't put a ton of tokens in this. I put quite a few, but not a ton. I just wanted to get a piece of this airdrop because I have no idea how many they're going to give out. There's only a total value locked of $346,000. Yeah, $346,000 only locked in this pool. So depending on how many ARB tokens they get, it could be pretty decent. Normally, when you're in the regular pools, it shows you your pending rewards up here, and you go ahead and you'd harvest. The 30-day triple reward pool has actually 1.6 million. Just it's like 5 times more total value locked than the one that's going to earn the actual Arbitrum airdrop tokens. So literally all you do is you go over to the swap, you swap your Ethereum for Zyber tokens. Once you get your Zyber tokens, you just bring them over here to the vault, and then you come down here, and then it'll say here max, and then you hit stake, and it stakes them. It's very, very easy. But they are locked for 90 days, so you're not going to be able to get the Zyber tokens out for 90 days. Just to just to make sure you know that it's a 90-day lockup period. I believe what it says though is that you will get your Arbitrum tokens before the 90-day period's over. So I think you will get your. I think that's what it said in the Twitter post. Let's double check that. Yeah, it says set a reminder for March 23rd. So that's when they'll announce that you should be able to claim them. I'm not 100% sure on that. If any of you guys know for sure, just let me know in the comments. And if you do know any other Arbitrum projects that are giving their airdrop away like this, please let me know in the comments as well, because I'd definitely be interested in getting in on that. Okay, that takes care of the staking part. There are some pretty juicy yield farms as well. There's Zyber ETH paying out at 715% APR. And then there's ETH USDT, which is paying out in the Zyber token. This one here, the Zyber ETH pays out in, looks like stablecoin as well. So let's see if take a look. Yeah, it pays out in rewards in Zyber token and in USDC, it looks like. So those are an option as well. The only thing I'm doing right now is the vault or the Arbitrum tokens. That's what I'm interested in. I'm not going to get a ton of Arbitrum tokens from the initial airdrop because I didn't mess around in the Arbitrum enough to get a ton. I know a lot of people are getting thousands and thousands of tokens. I wish I would have got into it earlier, but I didn't. So this is my way to get a piece of the pie, I guess. Okay, let's go to CoinGecko and take a look at the tokenomics, which are really interesting, actually. They got some pretty cool stuff going on. Okay, so the total supply is circulating supply is 1.418 million. It is inflationary in a way because the max supply is 20 million, and they have pretty high APRs, but they do have a burning mechanism. So the token burning mechanism is used to reduce the supply of Zyber tokens. It says here, ZyberSwap has implemented an automatic burning mechanism where a portion of protocol fees are used for buying Zyber tokens back from the market and sending them to the dead address on Arbitrum One network. They have a dashboard and they show how they burn. So the last burns were yesterday, it looks like. They burned quite a few, 56 here, 34 here, 153 here. So quite a few tokens are burning out of circulation forever, going to the dead wallet. So that's pretty cool for the long-term health of the protocol. So at one point, the token was actually at over $20. So yeah, back in, I guess that's February, mid-February, it got up to $22, $23. So pretty cool project. It seems like the main reason I got into this is to get the Arbitrum tokens. So that's the reason I actually shared this. So if you want to get into this project, there is a referral link I can put in the description of the video, and if you just click on that, it'll take you right to the site. A lot of people are saying this could be one of the biggest airdrops in history, so I definitely wanted to be a part of it. You know, I've seen some of these airdrops people have made a ton of money on. And plus this, Zyber swap, the actual protocol itself looks pretty decent. So after this airdrop's over and the 90 days are over, I might just kind of stick around and see what happens, especially since they have a burning mechanism. That's the problem with a lot of these rewards tokens, is that they inflate so high that the price goes lower. But since they have a burning mechanism, that'll help it in the long run. Like with every video, if you have a project that I haven't covered, please leave it in the comments. You guys have been doing a good job with that. I appreciate that. It helps me out a lot to look for future projects. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter. It helps me out, and also I drop stuff on there if I need to quickly before I can do a YouTube video. So thank you for watching as always, and have a great day.